Hi, Ryan.
Hi.
We got the Subi, or the Bluebee, or the Blueberoo,
The booby.
or the Boobie, or the... You got lots of names, just like keep them coming now. And we are taking a transmission, brand new one, and we're gonna be putting it in the car. Look at this. Came with this white line strut brace. Friggin' awesome. And then Ryan had to disconnect the strut brace in order to put that in the back. Yeah. Oh, let's get this shit done. What do you have to do?
You gotta take the top mount off to get to the bell housing bolts behind it. And then there's a pin that has to do with the clutch fork.
Alright.
You gotta take that off.
Okay.
Free.
Yay. You see that's the transmission brace right there. This is ridiculous. We're gonna be disconnecting the downpipe, disconnecting the drive shaft, and then everything, and stuff like that.
That is disconnected.
Cool. So that means
Now I
the
just gotta do
transmission's
the top bell housing bolts, and then we'll jack it up and take the rest of the downpipe off. The bottom bell housing bolts.
Yeah. We're almost there.
Getting there.
Well, the drive shaft too. So.
This is the easy part.
Yeah. Yeah. You said we need to take apart all the suspension and shit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn.
Come on.
Ooh. I'm so glad that stayed in the stream.
Yeah.
So look at that drains. Looks like we've got a unequal length header setup going on. That's pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's why it sounds so good.
Yes sir. Alright, so transmission's getting drained, and we are looking at how we need to disconnect this drive shaft right here. And we need to disconnect the exhaust. We're just gonna take the whole damn thing off right now. And then we can take this big heavy ass thing, drop that down, and swap it out with that one. Yep. Alright, so we just dropped the exhaust down, and this is what we're looking at. Yeah, this thing's a piece of crap. I mean, it's not bad. It's like Super Frankenstein to hell though. So we're gonna get a new one or something. I don't know. We'll figure something out. Cool. So what? Disconnecting the bell housing now, right?
Yep.
So
the last of the bell housing bolts out.
All this stuff up now. Cool. So far we've got drive shaft out, exhaust out, and yeah. This is the last bracing, sort of supporting the transmission at the moment. So this is the old, well, the other transmission that they have, the legacy one or whatever, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got that one off. But they told us before that they did the clutch and everything.
The throttle bearing's brand new, the clutch is brand new, the flywheel's brand new.
Beautiful. It's always good when people actually did what they said they did.
Yeah.
Cool.
Let me see
And that's our turbo right there.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Ah.
No shaft play.
And goes, and we're gonna have downpipe come down. But yeah, so I just wanted to show, you know, we got the, what type of clutch is that, do you know? Just a new one.
Exity. It's an Exity.
Cool. So
Exity clutch, Exity flywheel. I don't know if it's performance. I think it's just stock. But
yeah, cool. And we also noticed that all of the bushings are white line. So we got the white line sway bar, we got the white line bushings in the back, it's the same. Pretty much white line everything. So Pretty happy with that.
It's got some work done.
Yeah. Now it's gonna have the right transmission. Hey, look at that. That looks like a new transmission is in there.
Yeah.
Alright. That didn't take too long. So thanks for tuning into this week's episode of Mills Garage. And what, we just swapped out the transmission, so...
Transmission, yep.
What does that mean? What do we fix?
Hopefully he's fixed the speedometer and the odometer and the check engine code for the speed sensor.
Cool. So hopefully that all works. We're gonna start up the car and we're gonna see. So if you like the videos, make sure to click below to like, comment, share with all your friends, subscribe, and let's go see if this sucker works. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go take the car for a ride. Cool, so we're looking for the SPEEDO to actually move, right?
Yeah.
That's a good goal.
Woo!
Is it working? Moves. Yes! Look at that movement. I'm like trying to show without shaking, but this thing is like hardcore stiff suspension right now.
Oh yeah, this thing's really stiff.
Yeah. We totally adjusted the dampers. They're real stiff. Oh, look at that, it works! Woo! Yeah, this thing's quick, man.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, that SPEEDO works.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome, man.
And it's no longer in limp mode.
Yeah, you were saying 4,500 RPMs.
Yeah.
Ooh, I know that
I'm just
car.
gonna park over here.
Look at that car. Alright. Yeah,
All right.
good job.
Word. Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video. And we'll see you next time.
How does he look? Tired and miserable?